Hello everyone, welcome back to our session. In this session, we'll be learning about technology vocabulary, mobile and internet words, digital communication sentences, and asking for help with the devices and tech conversations. Okay, so let's dive into this session. So, computer is computer. These are spelled same in English and as well as Telugu. So, it's computer, mobile as mobile, internet as internet, password as password, website as website. So very easy, right? But now comes a tricky part. So message is sandesham. Sandesham. Message is sandesham. Sandesham. Call, once again, call. Network is network. App is app. Login is login. Just message is different in Telugu. Message is sandesham. Sandesham. Now some basic text sentences. How to say I am using the computer in Telugu. For example, your friend is asking what are you doing and you are answering I am using the computer right now. So how will say that in Telugu? Nenu, that means I, computer ఉపయోగిస్తున్నాను, that means I'm using. నేను కంప్యూటర్ ఉపయోగిస్తున్నాను. నేను కంప్యూటర్ ఉపయోగిస్తున్నాను. Next, you are saying I will send a message. How to say that in Telugu? నేను సందేశం పంపుతున్నాను. Okay, here the thing is, I will, what is nenu sandesham pamputunnanu? That means I am sending the message. But if you want to say I will send a message, nenu sandesham pamputanu. Nenu sandesham pamputanu. That means I will send a message. Call me later. How you say call me later in Telugu? Nenu తరువాత నాకు తరువాత కాల్ చెయ్యండి. That means you are telling to someone that call me later because you are busy right now. నాకు తర్వాత కాల్ చెయ్యండి. నాకు తరువాత కాల్ చెయ్యండి. But you are saying I will call you later. How to say that? నేను తరువాత కాల్ చేస్తాను. నేను తరువాత కాల్ చేస్తాను. Now you are saying I don't have network. Today my internet is down, so I don't have a network right now. So how to say that? నా దగ్గర నెట్వర్క్ లేదు. నా దగ్గర నెట్వర్క్ లేదు. నా దగ్గర నెట్వర్క్ లేదు. And you're saying my phone is not working. నా ఫోన్ పని చేయడం లేదు. Here పని చేయడం is work. లేదు is not working. Okay. Negative sentence. నా ఫోన్ పని చేయడం లేదు. Please share your location. దయచేసి మీ లొకేషన్ పంపండి. దయచేసి మీ లొకేషన్ పంపండి. Again, once again, I don't have network. నా దగ్గర నెట్వర్క్ లేదు. My phone is not working. నా ఫోన్ పని చేయడం లేదు. Please share your location. దయచేసి మీ లొకేషన్ పంపండి. Next you are saying the internet is slow. ఇంటర్నెట్ నెమ్మదిగా ఉంది ఆర్ వస్తుంది. ఇంటర్నెట్ నెమ్మదిగా ఉంది ఆర్ వస్తుంది. I forgot my password. which we in generally we forget our password. Like for Instagram password, I don't even remember my Instagram password. So I'm saying I forgot my password. How to say that? నేను నా పాస్వర్డ్ మర్చిపోయాను. నేను నా పాస్వర్డ్ మర్చిపోయాను. I want to log in. How to say that? నేను లాగిన్ అవ్వాలి. Or else నేను లాగిన్ కావాలి. Anything is fine. అవ్వాలి or కావాలి. నేను లాగిన్ అవ్వాలి. So you're asking, can you fix this? మీరు దీన్ని సరిచేస్తారా ఆర్ సరిచేయగలరా? ఎనీథింగ్ ఇస్ ఫైన్. మీరు దీన్ని సరిచేస్తారా ఆర్ ఎల్స్ మీరు దీన్ని సరిచేయగలరా? అండ్ హౌ డస్ దిస్ వర్క్? ఇది ఎలా పనిచేస్తుంది? ఇది ఎలా పనిచేస్తుంది? And again, you are asking, please help me. We already learned this sentence in before sessions, so you should get it. How to say, please help me? దయచేసి నాకు సహాయం చెయ్యండి. దయచేసి నాకు సహాయం చెయ్యండి. దయచేసి is please. నాకు is me. సహాయం help. చెయ్యండి. You're asking them to help you. దయచేసి నాకు సహాయం చెయ్యండి. So you are now went to a repair shop or else internet shop, and you're saying the internet is not working. So how? Okay, let's for example, you went to an office, you're working there, but internet is not working. So you're asking your head or someone from the office that internet is not working. So how to say that in Telugu? Internet పని చేయడం లేదు. Internet పని చేయడం లేదు. So now they suggested that restart the router. That's what we do now. Like when our laptop suddenly stopped working, first we'll try to restart it so that it will work again from start. So they are now suggesting you to restart the router, which is very easy to say in Telugu because restart and router are same, what we call in Telugu also. So we say router restart cheyyandi, or we can also say router ni malli on cheyyandi. That malli on is restart. On it again. Router restart cheyyandi. Router restart cheyyandi. And now we are asking your colleague, can you send the file? How to say that in Telugu? Meeru file pampagalara. Meeru file pampagalara. And now they are saying, yes, I will send now. How they'll reply in Telugu? Avunu, nenu ippude pamputanu. Avunu, nenu ippude pamputanu. Ippude is right now. Now. Pamputanu, that means I will send. Will send. Nenu is I. Avunu, nenu ippude pamputanu. Let's revise, which are very easy because most of the words are same in English and also in Telugu. Mobile is mobile. Message is only the one different. Sandesham. Message is Sandesham. Sandesham. Message. Sandesham. Password is password. Network is network. Login. Login. Internet. Internet. Very easy, right? So this is a very easy session today. Let's practice. You all have to practice. And that's all for today's session. In the next session, we'll be learning about money, banking, and transactions in Telugu. Thank you. Dhanyavadalu.